This video is sponsored by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about portion scoops, specifically the Comfy Grip number 8 4-ounce portion scoop. You can see it's got a nice stainless steel bowl. It's lovely and big, and it has that lovely blade for releasing and that lovely just little squeeze handle action. And the main difference between this and a lot of the other portion scoops you'll see is that it has this beautiful ergonomic handle. When you're doing work and you're portioning things out, oftentimes it involves scooping things by the hundreds or maybe more, right? So those repetitive tasks can be hard on your hands. So having something with a nice ergonomic design that has a good grip, right? So no slipping will mean less strain on your hands, less fatigue, and more efficiency. So it's great for that. It can also be used by righties or lefties, which is fantastic, right? The handles on these are also color-coded, which makes them easy to identify. They're great for a variety of different tasks. So whether it's scooping things like muffins, large cookies, portioning out batters, side dishes, whatever, it's a really useful tool in restaurants, catering, bakeries, or even at home. If you're using this for really hard frozen items like ice cream, you do want to make sure that you're tempering it first so you don't damage your scoop. It's really important, right? Ice cream straight out of the freezer, frozen really hard, is going to be a little too tough. So make sure you're using it properly and caring for it well, and you'll get a lot of use out of it. And we love these items, and we have them in a variety of different sizes, and we're always looking for details like this that can make the job easier. So that comfort grip handle is a great plus for any portion scoop.